Hi, welcome to Storytime Online. Today we thought we'd read an active book and we hope you'll sing and dance along. This was written by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson, illustrated by Brian Wan. Thank you to the illustrator for allowing us to read this online. Spunky little monkey, you won't get out of bed. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, apple juice, orange juice, gooseberry pies. Monkey needs some exercise. Rutabaga, sis boom ba. Pop up monkey, rah, rah, rah. First you get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Have you got the rhythm of the head, ding dong? Then you get the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap. Hard to do with a book in your hand. Have you got the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap? Then you get the rhythm of the feet. Stomp, stomp. Have you got the rhythm of the feet? Stomp, stomp. Then you get the rhythm of the hips. Shake, shake. Have you got the rhythm of the hips? Shake, shake. Put them all together, you'll be feeling much better. Ding dong, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, shake, shake. Do them backward, nice and quick. You'll feel perky, that's the trick. Shake, shake, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, ding dong. Rutabaga, sis, boom, ba. Monkey, monkey, rah, rah, rah. Spunky little monkey, ready for the day. Come on, monkey, let's go play.